3, Scene 1 of William Shakespeare's play, A Midsummer Night's Dream, takes place in the enchanted forest outside Athens. This scene is a pivotal point in the play, where misunderstandings and conflicts among the human characters reach their peak, and the chaos caused by the fairies intensifies. The scene opens with Titania, still under the influence of the love in idleness flower's magic, awakening to the sight of Bottom, the transformed actor with the donkey head. Titania expresses her love and adoration for Bottom, calling him her sweet ass and showering him with affectionate words and gestures. Bottom, still unaware of the magical events surrounding him, revels in the attention, thinking that he is being honored for his acting skills. While Titania and Bottom engage in their bizarre interaction, Oberon, the fairy king, enters the scene. He observes Titania's infatuation and is pleased with the success of his plan to distract her. However, his attention quickly turns to his own mischief as he discovers Demetrius and Helena, who are also in the forest. Demetrius, under the influence of Puck's mistaken enchantment, continues to pursue Helena, despite her protests and rejection. Helena, confused and hurt, believes that both Demetrius and Lysander are mocking her. She accuses them of conspiring with Hermia against her and pleads with Demetrius to be honest with her. As the lovers argue, Oberon decides to intervene and correct the mistake caused by Puck. He orders Puck to apply the flower's magic to Demetrius to restore his love for Helena. Puck follows Oberon's instructions and disappears to carry out the task. While Puck is away, Hermia and Lysander enter the scene, still searching for each other. Hermia accuses Lysander of betraying her love and conspiring with Helena, not realizing the magical influence at play. Lysander, also affected by the love in idleness flower, professes his newfound love for Helena, further confusing and upsetting Hermia. Finally, Puck returns and informs Oberon that he has successfully applied the magical nectar to Demetrius. Oberon watches as Demetrius, now under the influence of the flower's magic, wakes up and sees Helena. He immediately falls in love with her, much to her astonishment and disbelief. Helena suspects that Demetrius is mocking her and accuses him of cruelty, unaware of the true cause of his change of heart. With the chaos among the lovers at its peak, Puck and Oberon decide to intervene once again. Oberon instructs Puck to use his powers of illusion and confusion to separate the lovers and lead them astray in the forest, ensuring that they will not find each other. Puck carries out the plan, causing the lovers to become disoriented and lose sight of one another in the darkness. The scene ends with the lovers scattered throughout the forest, bewildered and heartbroken. The stage is set for further misunderstandings, comedic interactions, and the eventual resolution of the tangled love affairs in the next acts of the play. Act 3, Scene 1 of A Midsummer Night's Dream, is a scene of heightened confusion and conflict, where the consequences of the fairies' meddling and the lovers' misunderstandings come to the forefront. It showcases the power of love and enchantment, leading to a climax that propels the play towards its resolution. Join me in the next episode, where we shall delve deeper into the heart of Shakespeare's masterpiece, unraveling its themes, exploring its magical elements. Please subscribe to my channel, it's completely free, and please leave a like, it will mean a world to me.